Creating a Facebook page to promote your business. Hey there, everyone. Let's start at the very beginning of your latest Facebook marketing journey. Creating a Facebook page to promote your business. This is a very important step that you can't afford to half-bank, because a Facebook page for your business is the channel that you are going to use to build your presence and grow your audience. Having a Facebook page also makes it easier for you to set up advertising campaigns and capturing email leads on the platform. Getting started. Creating a Facebook page for your business is free, and all you need is a Facebook account and your business info at hand. To get started, simply log into your Facebook account, click on the Create tab in the top bar menu, and then click on the Page option. Next, click on the Get Started button in the Business or Brand section. Customizing and creating your page. Now you are going to enter the name of your brand or business into the page name field. Now, type the keyword that best describes your niche into the category field. Select a category from the results and then click on Continue. Awesome job. Now it is time to start customizing the page. First, click on Upload a Profile Picture to add a profile photo to your Facebook page. Next, click on the Upload a Cover Photo button to upload a cover photo to make your Facebook page much more attractive. A great job so far. Now it is time to add a Contact CTA button and your business information to your Facebook page. To add the CTA button, click on Add a Button and then click on the Contact You drop-down icon. Now you're going to select the contact method you want to integrate with your page. The options include Contact Us, Send a Message, Call Now, Sign Up, and Send Email. Your choice will depend on how you want to be contacted, and each option allows you to integrate a different method. For this example, we're going to select Send Message. This method allows users to send a message directly from their Facebook accounts using Messenger. So, select your contact method and click on Next. In the following window, you'll simply have to select the service users will use to contact you and then to click on Finish. You can start building your page's audience by sending invites to your Facebook friends in the Invite Your Friends to Like Your Page section. All right, now it is time to add your page info. To do this, click on the Edit Page Info tab on top. Start by adding your About info into the description field and click on Save Changes. Okay, now you're going to move to the Contact section to add your contact information. First, add your phone number, then add your website, and then add your email address. Remember to click on Save Changes to save your contact info. Now move to the Location section and enter your address. In case your business doesn't have a physical address, simply uncheck the Has a Street Address option. Or, in case that you enter your business registration address but don't take store visits, uncheck the Customers Visit My Business at My Street address. This is the setting you'll choose if your business is online only. Okay, so click on Save Changes and move to the Hours section. Here you're going to select the open hours that you'll show on your page. If you have a physical store or business that customers can visit, select Open on selected hours. Then select your open days and times below. If your business is 24 hours or always online, you can select Always Open. Now, if you're online only and don't take live orders or consultations, select No Available Hours. You can click on Save Changes after selecting your hours. You can enter additional information in the More section. Let's start with the Impressum field, where you have to add a declaration of business ownership if you reside in a country where it is required by law. In the Products field, you can add the names of products and services that you sell. Lastly, in the Privacy Policy field, you can add your privacy policy and terms of service. This is especially useful when you take customer information on your page or when you contact your page followers. Man, this is it, fellas. You just created your Facebook channel, and you are ready to get your latest Facebook marketing going, so don't miss the following lesson.